Hey guys, hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new, I'm Pratiksha Moitra Chakraborty and you're watching my channel Karubaki. So in my today's video, I'm going to paint on another glass bottle, and like all my other paintings, even this one is going to be super easy. And I'm just going to do whirly painting, and like I always say guys, I paint very simple things so that even you guys who are not so comfortable with painting can try out these ideas at home by yourself. And yeah, so I really hope that you guys are going to enjoy this video. If you do, then do not forget to hit the like button and share your feedbacks, comments, suggestions or questions if you have any related to this video in my comment section below. I would just love to know how you felt about it. And I will also try and reply to your questions if you have any, and I will try to help you guys as much as I can. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please consider subscribing it and also hit the bell icon just beside the subscribe button so that you can get the notifications of me uploading any new video on my channel at the earliest. So now without any further ado, let's just begin with our video. So this is the glass bottle and I'm going to apply Prussian blue as the base, and for that I will be needing a sponge dabber. I'm just going to simply dab the paint on the entire bottle, and if you're doing the same thing, do not forget to apply 2 to 3 coats of the paint. And just dabbing the paint on the bottle is going to kind of give your bottle a rough texture, and it is really going to look very nice. And now I'm using round brush 0 and white color for doing the entire painting. Now I'm going to use just this one color for the entire painting, and as I already said earlier, I'm going to do some whirly painting. Now I have sponge dabber. Actually I purchased a set of sponge dabbers from Amazon, and if you want, I will be sharing the link in my description box. So if you want to purchase it, you can click on the link in my description box and you can purchase it from Amazon. But if in case you do not have a sponge dabber, you can always use any other loose sponges that are available at everyone's house. You can always use that, and you have to just simply repeat the same pattern. You just have to dip it in the paint, and you have to just continuously dab it on the entire bottle, and you are going to get a similar effect. So yeah, now I have started my painting, and as you can see, I'm just painting some different kinds of patterns, and that is what I'm going to do throughout. And yeah, I am sure the bottle is going to look very nice. And the thing that I say in all my videos, whirly painting is a very simple form of art, but it looks very sophisticated and bright. I love whirly painting, so I do it on many things, and I'm sure you are going to agree with me once you see the end result. And yeah, here I'm using a round brush, but if you want, you can use a flat brush or any other brushes of different sizes according to your necessity or the patterns that you are doing. I have many other videos on bottle art in my channel, so if you haven't watched those videos yet, then I would request you to kindly go and watch the other videos on my channel as well, and I'm sure you're going to like those videos too. And yeah, the thing that I keep on saying, we all have some spare wasted bottles like this, so why just throw it away? You can always transform them and give them some creative makeovers. So you do not really need to know painting for that. Just paint your heart out, paint whatever patterns you want, and everything is going to look beautiful. Here I am using acrylic paint white, and I will be sharing the link of all the products that I'm using here, the brush, the paint, everything in my description box, so you can just go and check my description box for the links.
If you do not have acrylic paint or you don't want to use acrylic paint, you can also use poster color for doing this painting. It is going to give a similar effect. If you want, you guys can follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is Pratiksha Mudra Chakraborty, and I also have a Facebook page in the name of Karubaki. And if you want, you can just go and follow me in these two places. So now I'm almost done with the painting, and as you can see, I'm just painting some big whorly patterns, and in this entire area I'm going to paint 3 or 4 patterns, whatever fits in the space, and these are all dancing patterns, as you can see. If you want, you can do any other patterns too, that is according to your wish, but I thought of doing a dancing pattern here. And in the rest of the bottle, as you have already seen, I have painted different other shapes and patterns, and I think it's just looking wonderful, isn't it not? I'm just loving it, and I really hope that you guys are liking this video too, because I really enjoyed making it. I'm using a dotting tool for doing the dots on the neck of the bottle. If you do not have a dotting tool, it is just not a problem. You can use the back side of your brush or anything else that has a blunt pointed end. You can use it, but since I have a dotting tool here, I am using it, and I will be sharing the link of this also in my description box. And here it is done, guys. This is the end result. Just have a look. Isn't it just looking wonderful? I think it is looking so bright and beautiful. I'm just loving it, and I think the entire bottle has completely transformed. It was just an ordinary glass bottle, and now it has turned into something so creative. You can always do this, and then you can use it as a flower vase or just a showpiece. I'm going to use this as a flower vase. I'm going to keep some money plants maybe in this. I do that all the time. So yeah, that was it.
Hey guys, so I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Now this was very simple, as I was saying from the very beginning, and I would suggest that even you guys give it a try. And even if you're not so comfortable with painting, never mind, just give it a try. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. And I think that the bottle is really looking very sophisticated, simple, elegant, yet stylish, isn't it not? So yeah, I hope that you guys have liked this video. If you did, then do not forget to hit the like button and share your feedbacks with me in my comment section below. If you have any questions regarding this video, you can also ask me the questions in my comment section, and I will definitely try to reply to your questions and help you out as much as I can. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please consider subscribing it, and also hit the bell icon just beside the subscribe button, so that you can get the notifications of me uploading any new video on my channel at the earliest. And yeah guys, I have a second channel on YouTube. It is a vlog channel and it is in Bengali. So if you are interested in watching vlogs and you are a Bengali or you understand Bengali, then I will be sharing putting the link of my second channel in my description box. So after you finish watching this video completely, just go to my description box. You can click on the link and go to my second channel, and if you want, you can also subscribe that channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon just beside the subscribe button, so that whenever I upload any new vlog on that channel, you can get the notification at the very earliest. So yeah, I will be seeing you next Sunday. Till then, bye bye and stay creative.